Peace be upon you. Peace be upon you too. Can I tell you how to make pizza? Yes, sure. First, get a bowl, some flour, oil, salt, yeast, baking powder, sugar, vanilla, and milk. Then mix them all in the bowl. After that, knead the dough and leave it for 10 minutes to rest. After that, roll out the dough with a rolling pin. Put the dough in a baking pan. Put tomato sauce on the dough and add toppings such as peppers, onion, olives, mushrooms, and tomato. Grate some cheese on the toppings. Put the pizza in the oven and bake it. Finally, get out the pizza from the oven. Thank you very much, Andre. You are welcome. See you later. See you.
The end.